A day in the life of a single parent. Woo! Good morning. Good morning, Dimple. It's 6 a.m. We are preparing for a shoot. Tara, sama ka na. Oh, 4 hours sleep. Ay, di ko napakita yung morning kiss ko kay Alec. Morning, Lionel.
Morning, guys.
Morning, Tom.
Good morning.
We are here. I am forever an early bird. I don't like it. Got coffee first and gonna take a quick nap. Nagpalpitate ako. Paano magnanap? Parang gusto kong sumayaw! Good morning! Performative. Ang peg ko ngayon, Taiwanese lang. Napagod na ako mag-Korean. Puyat ako kagabi kasi yung anak ko, red ng red. Wala na yung breakout ko, pero may mga konting marks na lang siya. Nalaglag ng anak ko yung cellphone ko, nag-crack siya. Paano kaya magpalit ng anak? First layout. Second layout, as a nepo base. Third layout. Lunch break, single parent, and his high-protein meal. Why laughing? Ay, yung lens naman. Huwag na nga. Busog na busog. Fourth layout. Fifth layout. Sarap! Yan ang ringtone ng nanay ko. What is this song? Gonna call my son, but I think they're busy eating dinner. So let's eat dinner. Eating dinner. At syempre may nakita tayo. Ang aking ex at ang aking inaanak. Hello! I deserve this. Paano ito kakainin? Cheers! Yun lang. Thank you!